just take a moment to appreciate my wonderful wife. That was the first thing she told me to say in the speech. No, I'm joking. I would have said it.
I just want to say to Malthi and Dylan, if Damien Mama was here today, he would have been so happy and proud that you found each other. Dylan, he would have loved share a glass of scotch with you and introduce you to the family as his new son.
Today, for our family, it's a very proud and joyous moment, but it's also quite bittersweet because at the end of this month, it'll be the 3rd anniversary of my dad's death, and my sister asked me whether I would walk her down the aisle and give her away, and of course, I can't say no. Obviously, that should have been a job for my dad to do, because he always said to us that once that, our sister was married, then his work is done. He doesn't have to worry about anything anymore. I'm sure that he is looking down on us and he must be so happy. So, the job is done. Okay.
I call upon these persons here present.
I call upon these persons here present
To witness.
That
I, Jude Dylan Natharatham.
That I, Jude Dylan Natharatham.
Do take
thee.
Malthi Noel Fernando.
Malthi Noel Fernando.
To be my lawful wedded wife.
To be my lawful wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
Better or for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer or poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
I don't know if Dylan knows, but this journey started in around 2015. Dad came up to me, and I think he'd just discovered the internet. And he told me, did you know there's this thing you can put people, you can make dating profiles. Let's make one for Malthi. I'm not sure we asked her permission, but he dictated, I typed, and he said, okay, let's write she's tall, obedient, punctual. I said, no, Dad, you can't lie on an internet dating profile, let's do this properly. So we typed something out. As luck would have it, I think Auntie saw that, and somehow my dad's words connected with her.
I wish I could say there was something more traditional like meeting at a bar or even on Tinder. This was when my mum was furloughed. She basically said to me, I am going to find you a wife. It's the last thing I do. I'm going to spend all my time furloughed finding you a wife.
Okay, so join me, ladies and gentlemen, 3